The dream of luxury car ownership often crashes into the harsh reality of post-warranty maintenance costs. But not all luxury vehicles will drain your bank account after that manufacturer warranty expires. Today, we're exploring 10 exceptional luxury cars that combine prestige with proven durability, vehicles that continue to deliver a premium experience long after the warranty paperwork has been filed away. Number 10. 2025 Acura RLX, the understated champion. The 2025 Acura RLX stands as a testament to Japanese engineering excellence while flying under the radar in the luxury sedan market. Powered by a robust 3.5-liter V6 engine producing 310 horsepower, the RLX delivers a smooth and responsive driving experience that remains consistent well beyond the 100,000-mile mark. What makes this sedan particularly appealing for long-term ownership is its impressive reliability record, with owners reporting minimal issues even after 5 years of ownership. Priced between $45,000 and $55,000 depending on options, the RLX represents exceptional value in the luxury space. Acura's precision-crafted performance philosophy translates into a vehicle built with meticulous attention to detail, from its double wishbone front suspension to its sophisticated electronic systems. The RLX's maintenance costs typically run 30–40% lower than its European counterparts, making it a financially sound choice for extended ownership. The cabin of the RLX is crafted with materials designed to withstand the test of time. Soft touch surfaces that resist wear and electronic systems with proven longevity. The 12-way power-adjustable front seats maintain their support and comfort even after years of use, while the dual-screen infotainment system continues to function flawlessly long after competitors' systems start to show their age. Number 9. 2025 Volvo S90. Scandinavian reliability meets luxury. The 2025 Volvo S90 proves that luxury and longevity aren't mutually exclusive. This Swedish masterpiece combines elegant minimalist design with exceptional build quality that ensures its appeal endures well beyond its warranty period. Starting at $54,000 for the base model and ranging up to $68,000 for the top-tier variants, the S90 represents Scandinavian luxury at its finest. Under the hood, you'll find a choice of powertrains, including the T6 with the supercharged and turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine generating 316 horsepower. This innovative powertrain has demonstrated remarkable reliability, with many owners reporting trouble-free operation well into six-figure mileage. Volvo's commitment to quality engineering is evident in the S90's impressive reliability score of 8.5 out of 10. Placing it among the most dependable luxury sedans on the market. What truly sets the S90 apart is its uncompromising approach to safety that extends to its component durability. The advanced driver assistance systems, including pilot assist semi-autonomous driving, continue to function with precision years after purchase. The S90's electrical architecture is designed with redundancies that prevent the common electronic gremlins that plague many luxury vehicles as they age. Inside, the portrait-oriented touchscreen remains responsive and the genuine walnut wood inlays maintain their luster long after the new car smell has faded. Number 8. 2024 Genesis G80, Korean luxury's long-term value proposition. The Korean luxury segment has come of age with the 2024 Genesis G80, a car that challenges the notion that European brands have a monopoly on premium experiences. Priced between $48,000 and $62,000, the G80 offers tremendous value up front, but it's the car's long-term reliability that makes it a standout choice for post-warranty ownership. Powering the G80 is either a turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder producing 300 horsepower or a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 generating an impressive 375 horsepower. Both engines utilize advanced materials and engineering to ensure longevity, with many owners reporting minimal power loss or increased oil consumption even after 80,000 miles. The 8-speed automatic transmission is similarly over-engineered, exhibiting none of the hesitation or harsh shifts that can develop in competitive vehicles as they age. Genesis backs its confidence in the G80 with one of the most generous initial warranty packages in the industry. But what's truly impressive is how rarely owners need to make major repairs even after that coverage expires. The G80's cabin materials, including Napa leather seats and open-pore wood trim, resist wear exceptionally well, maintaining their premium feel years down the road. The 14.5-inch infotainment system continues to operate with smartphone-like responsiveness long after competitors' systems begin to lag. Number 7. 2023 Lexus RX 350, the crossover that defies time. When it comes to luxury SUVs that laugh in the face of high-mileage concerns, the 2023 Lexus RX 350 stands in a class of its own. Priced between $46,000 and $58,000, this mid-size luxury crossover combines Toyota's legendary reliability with Lexus' refinement to create a vehicle that remains trouble-free well beyond 150,000 miles. The RX 350's 3.5-liter V6 engine produces 295 horsepower and is virtually bulletproof, with many owners reporting no major issues even after a decade of use. The engine's timing chain, rather than a belt, design eliminates a common maintenance headache, while the 8-speed automatic transmission is engineered to maintain smooth operation well beyond the 100,000-mile mark. The RX 350's suspension components, including control arms and bushings, are designed for exceptional longevity, maintaining ride quality years longer than European competitors. Inside, the RX 350 features materials selected specifically for durability without sacrificing luxury. The semi-aniline leather seating surfaces resist cracking and wear, while the climate control systems continue to operate efficiently long after similar systems in other luxury vehicles begin to fail. Lexus's attention to detail extends to the smallest components, from window regulators to power seat motors, resulting in a vehicle that maintains its luxury credentials long after the warranty expires. Number 6. 2024 Audi A6, German engineering built for the long haul. The 2024 Audi A6 demonstrates that German precision engineering can indeed translate to long-term reliability when properly executed. With a starting price of $56,500 for the base premium model and climbing to $71,000 for the prestige trim, the A6 represents Audi's commitment to building vehicles that maintain their performance and luxury credentials well beyond the warranty period. At the heart of the A6's reliability is its powertrain options, including a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder producing 261 horsepower or a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 generating 335 horsepower. Both engines are paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission and Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system. This drivetrain combination has proven exceptionally durable, with many owners reporting trouble-free operation well beyond 100,000 miles. The Quattro system, in particular, shows remarkable longevity, continuing to provide assured performance in all weather conditions year after year. What truly sets the A6 apart from many other German luxury cars is its impressive reliability score of 8.2 out of 10, making it one of the most dependable options in its class. This translates to fewer unexpected visits to the mechanic and more time enjoying the car's luxurious amenities. The A6's interior materials, including the genuine leather upholstery and wood inlays, are selected not just for their premium appearance but for their ability to withstand daily use while maintaining their luxurious feel and appearance. Number 5. 2024 Porsche 911 991. Engineering excellence meets timeless design. The 2024 Porsche 911 proves that sports cars can indeed be reliable long-term companions. With prices ranging from $102,000 to $232,000 depending on variant, the 911 represents a significant investment, but one that holds its value exceptionally well thanks to its remarkable durability. The latest 999.2 generation 911 offers several powertrain options, including a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged flat-six producing between 379 and 473 horsepower in various trims. These engines are engineered to exacting standards, with many owners reporting minimal issues even after regular track use. The 8-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission similarly demonstrates exceptional longevity, maintaining its lightning-fast shifts well beyond 80,000 miles. Porsche's approach to engineering involves significant overbuilding of components, resulting in a sports car that can handle daily driving for many years without developing the issues that plague other high-performance vehicles. The 911's interior is designed with the same attention to durability as its mechanical components. The leather-wrapped surfaces resist wear exceptionally well, while the switchgear maintains its precise action year after year. Even the 911's sophisticated electronics, including the PCM infotainment system and various driver assistance technologies, continue to function flawlessly long after the warranty period, a testament to Porsche's commitment to building cars that are meant to be driven extensively. Number 4, 2023 Lexus GX 460, the luxury SUV built for forever. Few luxury vehicles can match the legendary durability of the 2023 Lexus GX 460. Priced between $57,000 and $65,000. This luxury SUV combines off-road capability with premium comfort in a package that's designed to last for decades rather than years. The heart of the GX 460's reliability is its naturally aspirated 4.6-liter V8 engine, producing 301 horsepower and 329 lb-ft of torque. This power plant is a masterclass in longevity engineering, with many owners reporting trouble-free operation well beyond 200,000 miles. The 6-speed automatic transmission is similarly overbuilt, maintaining smooth shifts long after other luxury SUVs' transmissions begin to deteriorate. The GX's body-on-frame construction, unusual in the luxury segment, contributes to its exceptional durability, allowing it to withstand conditions that would stress unibody competitors. Inside, the GX 460 features materials selected specifically for their ability to withstand years of use while maintaining their premium appearance and feel. The semi-aniline leather seating surfaces resist wear exceptionally well, while the wood trim, treated with multiple layers of protection, maintains its luster year after year. The GX's climate control system, often a weak point in luxury vehicles as they age, continues to perform flawlessly well beyond the 100,000-mile mark, a testament to Lexus's commitment to building vehicles that truly go the distance. Number 3, 2024 BMW 340i, Bavarian performance that stands the test of time. The 2024 BMW 340i represents a sweet spot in the luxury sports sedan market, offering exhilarating performance, premium features, and surprising reliability for those who keep their vehicles beyond the warranty period. Priced between $54,000 and $65,000 depending on options, the 340i delivers tremendous value for enthusiasts seeking long-term ownership. What makes the 340i stand out in BMW's lineup is its legendary B58 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine, producing 382 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. This power plant has earned a reputation as one of BMW's most reliable modern engines, with many owners reporting minimal issues well beyond 100,000 miles. The ZF 8-speed automatic transmission paired with this engine is similarly robust, maintaining crisp shifts and responsive behavior long after other sports sedans' transmissions begin to show their age. BMW's attention to durability extends beyond the powertrain to the 340i's suspension components, which are designed to maintain the car's legendary handling characteristics even after years of spirited driving. The adaptive M suspension option, in particular, continues to provide an ideal balance of comfort and performance long after competitor systems begin to lose their effectiveness. Inside, the 340i's premium materials, including the standard Sensatec upholstery or optional Vernasca leather, resist wear exceptionally well, maintaining their appearance and feel far beyond the warranty period. Number 2, 2025 Lexus ES, the benchmark for luxury reliability. At number 2 on our list, the 2025 Lexus ES stands as perhaps the definitive example of a luxury sedan engineered for exceptional longevity. Priced between $41,000 and $52,000, the ES delivers a premium experience without the premium maintenance costs that often accompany luxury vehicle ownership. The ES offers several powertrain options, including a 2.5-liter four-cylinder producing 203 horsepower in the ES 250, a 3.5-litre V6 generating 302 horsepower in the ES350, and a hybrid system delivering 215 combined horsepower in the ES300H. All three powertrains have demonstrated extraordinary reliability, with many owners reporting trouble-free operation well beyond 200,000 miles. The conventional 8-speed automatic transmission in the non-hybrid models is similarly overbuilt, maintaining smooth shifts long after competitors' transmissions begin to develop issues. What truly sets the ES apart is its holistic approach to durability. Every component, from major mechanical systems to small interior details, is engineered to maintain its function and appearance for extraordinary lengths of time. The climate control system continues to operate efficiently after decades of use, while the power seat mechanisms maintain their smooth operation year after year. The ES's electrical systems, often a weak point in luxury vehicles as they age, demonstrate exceptional reliability, with owners reporting minimal issues even after a decade of operation. Number 1. 2024 Mercedes-Benz E-Class W212, the pinnacle of engineered longevity. Taking the top spot on our list is the 2024 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, specifically the W212 generation, which represents the pinnacle of Mercedes-Benz's return to its engineering-focused roots. Priced between $56,000 and $75,000 depending on trim and options, the E-Class delivers an exceptional luxury experience that maintains its premium character well beyond the warranty period. The E-Class offers several powertrain options, including a turbocharged 2.0-litre four-cylinder producing 255 horsepower in the E350, a 3.0-litre inline-six with mild hybrid assistance generating 362 horsepower in the E450, and the hand-built 4.0-litre twin-turbocharged V8 delivering 603 horsepower in the AMG E63S. While all powertrains demonstrate excellent reliability, the inline-six option stands out for its exceptional longevity, with many owners reporting trouble-free operation well beyond 150,000 miles. Mercedes-Benz's commitment to longevity extends to the E-Class's sophisticated suspension system, which maintains its composure and comfort years after competitor systems begin to deteriorate. The Airmatic air suspension option, in particular, demonstrates remarkable durability, continuing to provide a magic carpet ride quality long after similar systems in other luxury vehicles begin to fail. Inside, the E-Class features materials selected not just for their premium appearance, but for their ability to withstand daily use while maintaining their luxurious feel. The genuine leather upholstery resists wear exceptionally well, while the open-pore wood trim maintains its natural beauty year after year. These 10 vehicles prove that luxury and reliability aren't mutually exclusive concepts. By choosing one of these exceptional automobiles, you can enjoy the prestige and comfort of a premium vehicle without the financial anxiety that often accompanies post-warranty luxury car ownership. Whether you prefer the understated elegance of the Lexus ES, the technological sophistication of the Audi A6, or the performance heritage of the BMW 340i, these vehicles offer a compelling combination of luxury, performance, and peace of mind. Remember that even the most reliable luxury vehicles require proper maintenance to achieve their full potential longevity. Following the manufacturer's recommended service schedule, addressing minor issues before they become major problems, and using quality replacement parts and fluids will help ensure that your luxury vehicle provides years of trouble-free enjoyment beyond its warranty period. The next time you're in the market for a luxury vehicle with an eye toward long-term ownership, consider one of these exceptional automobiles, vehicles that prove that true luxury isn't just about premium features and prestigious badges, but about engineering excellence that stands the test of time.